Grids and guides help you organize your layout. The lines that they have do not appear in your printing. It's really simple. Go to View, Grids and Guides. There's baseline grids. It's all these lines below. Document grid is like those that graph paper you had when you studied math. And then you can also do this. Let me get rid of those. Hide. You can also do individual ones. Say you can get a guide, drag from up here, it makes a line. Drag from this ruler here, and it makes a line. That you can also do this. You can also hide them if you want. You can also snap to grid. This is really good if you want to make sure that things are aligned really well. Snap to grid. So if you take this, it goes really easily to things like that, and it goes to it.